Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for Better You. Today, we have a big question. AI is here, artificial intelligence. It can translate any language instantly. So, why should we learn English? Why spend the time? Why make the effort? This is a very important question in our new world. In this video, we will find the answer. We will talk about the one thing AI can never do for you. What is that one thing? I will tell you the secret at the end of this video. Knowing this secret will change how you learn. It will change how you see the world. So please watch until the end. Part 1. The limit of technology. Think about your phone. It is a magic box. You can speak into it. It can speak back in another language. It's amazing. Technology is a wonderful tool. It helps us a lot. But let me ask you something. Is language just a collection of words? Is it just grammar rules? Or is it something more? Let's imagine a situation. A mother holds her baby. She looks at her child with love. Her voice is soft and warm. She says, "I love you." AI will translate this as, "I love you." That is correct. Now, imagine another situation. Two people are arguing. They are very angry. One person looks at the other. Their eyes are cold. Their voice is hard. They say, "Oh, I love you." The words are the same, but is the meaning the same? No, it is the opposite. It means, "I do not love you at all." What will an AI translator say? It will say, "I love you." The AI translates the words. It does not translate the feeling. It does not see the look in the eyes. It does not hear the anger in the voice. It does not feel the coldness in the air. Language is not just text on a screen. Language is human energy. It is connection. It is what we feel between people. This is the first reason. AI can translate words, but it cannot translate a human heart. Part 2. A new way to learn. So, AI misses the real meaning. But here is the most important question. Is learning a new language just about understanding words? Or is it about something much bigger? The answer might surprise you. It's not about becoming a perfect speaker. It's about becoming a different person. This is where our new method of learning begins. Our channel is different. We don't just teach you words. We teach you how your brain learns best. Let's talk about your brain. Your brain is amazing. When you learn something new, your brain makes new paths. It's like building a new road in a forest. The first time, it's difficult. But when you walk that path every day, it becomes easy. This is how habits are born. This is brain science. It is also ancient wisdom. The great philosopher Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. So how do we build a good English habit? Do we need to study for 5 hours every day? No, that is the old way, the hard way. It can lead to cognitive overload. That means your brain gets too tired. It stops learning. The new way is the smart way. The science of habit formation tells us to start small, very small. Learn just 3 new words a day. Not 30, just 3. But use them. Make a short sentence with each word. Say the sentence out loud. This small action, repeated every day, builds a strong road in your brain. It is a powerful habit. Think of it like this. A big ship changes its direction slowly, just 1 degree at a time. But after a long journey, that 1 degree change makes a huge difference. You end up in a completely new place. Your small daily habit is that 1 degree change. Part 3. The real goal of learning. We also use psychology. Why do you want to learn English? For a better job? For a test? Those are good reasons. They are external motivations. But the strongest motivation comes from inside. It's called intrinsic motivation. Learn English to understand your favorite movie without subtitles. Learn English to make a new friend in another country. Learn English because you are curious about another culture. Find your own why. Your why is your fuel. It will keep you going when things get hard. Ancient Eastern philosophy teaches us about patience. Learning is a journey, not a race. Confucius said, "It does not matter how slowly you go, so long as you do not stop." Be kind to yourself. You will make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are signs that you are trying. They are a part of learning. This is metacognition. It is thinking about your own thinking, understanding how you learn, knowing that it is okay to not be perfect. And now we come back to our first big question. Why learn English in the age of AI? We know that AI cannot translate human feeling, but there is a bigger reason. It is the secret I promised you. The one thing AI cannot do is this. It cannot build a real human relationship for you. An AI can schedule a business meeting, but it cannot go to that meeting and shake a person's hand. It cannot look them in the eye and build trust. An AI can translate a menu in a restaurant, but it cannot sit with a friend, share a meal, and laugh together. This is why people fly thousands of miles across the world. We can send emails, we can make video calls, but we still travel to meet face to face. Because real connection happens when people are together. Language is the bridge that makes this connection possible. It is the tool we use to share our ideas, our fears, our hopes, and our love. Learning a language is not about memorizing words. It is about opening a new door in your mind. It is about building a bridge from your heart to another person's heart. This is something only a human can do. AI is a great tool, but you are the one who builds the bridge. So continue your journey. Learn a little every day. Be patient. Be curious. Watch this video again. Listen to the sentences. Try to say them yourself. You are not just learning English. You are growing as a person. You are preparing to connect with the world in a new way. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep going and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, if you join our channel membership, you can get a PDF summary of today's lesson. It is a great tool for review.